Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone speaker if it's not working. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you do have any phone casing, remove it for now. And at the top left of your iPhone, you will have the silent mode switch button. Okay, make sure that you toggle it. And when you can't see the orange button anymore or the orange icon anymore, well, you're good to go. And ensure, of course, do not disturb is disabled here as well. Okay. Also, go ahead and check your volume levels right here in your control center. If it's not muted, if it's muted, well, you won't be able to hear anything. Just make sure that you have enough volume. Now, also make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled. Maybe your audio is routing to a paired speaker or headphones. That's why you can't hear it on your own device or phone. So if that still won't fix the problem, okay, go to settings right here and accessibility. Okay. Tap on accessibility and under audio and visual. Okay. Let's go to find it right here. Audio and visual. Tap on it. Just make sure that mono audio is disabled. Also, the balance right here is at the center or at 0.00. Okay. And then after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now you could also test if the problem is not the application that you're trying to use. Okay. Open up your camera, record something from here, like hello, 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 and then just test it out. If the audio works perfectly fine on your videos, well, the problem is in the application settings itself. I'll just go ahead and check it out. Maybe on YouTube, X, Instagram. Okay, go ahead and check its settings. Now, if that doesn't work, well, you can go ahead and clean the grills of your speakers. Right here at the very bottom, you have your speakers. Go ahead and clean it, as it might be a little dirty and the audio won't go through. All right. Now, if the speaker still doesn't work after these steps, well, it might be a hardware issue or requiring professional service from Apple support. All right. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.